put the butter in. You guys, tell me what you're doing when you're doing it.
I'm spreading the butter all over the place, like Daddy's supposed to.
Look like eggs. Oh yes, the color is very nice. I'm just gonna look at the color right here. Oh yes, that is a very nice color. Very good, son.
More butter.
More butter in there?
No, actually no.
Actually, no.
Now that's enough butter?
Marshmallows. So now what are you doing, son?
Now what are you going to do?
What is that though? What are you doing?
You got to melt the marshmallows? Stir it around.
You're doing a great job.
Sissy, guess what? We're making Rice Krispie treats. This is like when we're making brownies. Hocus pocus magic shower, put your feet, but then my Rice Krispie treats. I say that like this. Hocus pocus magic shower, put your feet, but then my brownie will make it brownie. Because this looks like a witch. See how they're
Daddy's going to have to help for a second, okay? Daddy's going to have to help you for a second, okay? Just a second.
do like hocus pocus magic shower, put your feet, but then my power.
So you're melting the marshmallows.
No, first butter.
Oh, yeah, right. Right. And then you put a little more butter in there.
Get it right there.
Good job.
There's a little more. Hey, look.
Hold on, let Daddy help you for a minute. It's getting out of hand.
Get it out of the pan.
It's sticking to the pan. We don't want it
Are
to
you a
stick
chef,
to the pan.
Tilu? Look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy.
Are you a chef?
Look at this picture. And then I want to see my nose. My eye. I want to see my nose. Ew!
Okay, watch your marshmallows. Look at your marshmallows.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's very nice job. Oh, this is awesome.
Okay, here, keep mixing it.
Okay, keep stirring it up. Don't touch the pan. Don't touch the pan. Give me this hand.
Hold this. Hold right
Yeah.
there. Okay, mix. Can't let it burn, okay? You gotta keep mixing.
Keep stirring, keep stirring. Okay,
And get it
Dad.
off the edges.
I'll
then
do
mix
it
them.
by myself.
Okay, keep mixing it. Then you put more marshmallows in there?
You can melt the ones you have in there. We don't need to really make that much.
Okay.
We had it in for 3 days last time.
I'm a chef.
Oh, you're doing a wonderful job. This is just wonderful. Oh, good job of getting it off the edge.
First, I'm putting it in the middle so I can mix it. I'm setting them up so that part.
Now what are you going to do? You're going to get the Rice Krispies out? Not in the pan.
Wait, you done? No. There's some more marshmallows.
Mix it with the other one.
Okay, let me help.
Can I do it with the other one now?
It's getting too sticky, see? So I'm gonna help it along.
Hey, God, guess what Stone's doing?
What's Stone doing?
He finished following me.
Oh, that's sweet.
And then
Hold on, let Daddy help you.
Is that my hand? Is that my hand? Come on, I'm joking. This is my hand.
Oh.
Because you're the one who do it. You're the one who's doing it.
No.
Now what do you do?
Mix. Keep mixing.
Until Daddy says it's done.
Until Daddy says it's done.
How does that melt?
So it's fire underneath it. It's a hot. Get this ready.
Okay.
Just don't touch the pan, okay?
Hey.
Wait.
You see if there's more in there. See if there's more in there. Yeah, there's more in there.
Are you going to pour the Rice Krispie treats in, Tilu? Psst. Say, and now for the Rice Krispie treats.
And now for the Rice Krispie treats.
Very good. You're a natural.
Okay.
Oh, good job. Ooh, look at that. Looks awesome.
Don't get too close to it.
Yes, dear. Yeah, baby.
Need some more Rice Krispies. A little more, huh?
What's Stone doing?
Keep on. Keep on.
Oh, that's very sweet. Watch your hand.
This is so hard.
Yeah, it's sticky, huh?
Don't touch the pan.
Look at Mommy.
Look at
Taylor.
the camera and smile.
Say, and that's how you make Rice Krispie treats.
And that's how you make Rice Krispie treats.
Look at Mommy and say it, though.
Mom and say,
Look at the camera.
That's how you make Rice Krispie treats.
and big smile.
And cut.
Cut.
You know what that means?
No.
Cut means stop filming. That means we're done. That means
What?
it's over.
It's over. It's over.
What's Stone doing?
Why are you so goofy?
This is my dad.
Okay.
Are you goofy like your dad?
You feel like my mom, remember?
What, baby?
Hey, Clifford.
All right, and that's how you make Rice Krispie treats, guys. Okay, say, see you next time when I'm making brownies.
See you next time when we're making brownies.
Okay.
What?